Number 2. The table shows a section of DNA taken from 4 different organisms. Which 2 organisms are the most distantly related to each other? So the organisms that are closely related to each other have base sequences of DNA that are very, very similar. So think of these as sequences. So organism W has a base sequence starting with C to A. So CAC, AATC, GAA. X has base sequence starting from G and ends with G as well. And it has sequence GT, CAA, TGG, TG. So which is quite different, right? So let's try to find out how many base sequences are, or how many bases are in different order or different places. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 differences between organism W and X. How about the others? So there are 1, 2, only 2 differences between W and Y. And it's going to take ages, so I'll just try to find the differences that are in the options. So let's have a look at W and Z, these guys. So there is 1 difference. Oh, there's another one as well. And 1 more. So in total, 3. And X and Y, 1, 2. Only 2 differences. X and Z has 1, 2, and 3. 3 differences. So apparently, W and X has the most difference base sequence of all these guys, of all these organisms. So they must be the most distantly related to each other. So A is the answer for this one. Number 3. Scientists discover a new species of animal. It has a segmented body with 2 pairs of legs on each segment. To which group of land animals does this new species belong?